Perfect. Okay. Now what you're going to see on this right here, this is, you gotta get a ladder, it's a little too high. It's the double cut line, the tacking on strip. And, oh, there it is. Again, we could probably open the door so we're not tacking it on the door. Alright, so I always leave about an inch on each side. Let's do, okay, so it's going to be this way. Okay, on this one, make sure it's overlapped, 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 and you know exactly where it's going to be. I'm going to pull that little strip off. Voila. And I have to double check everything before I put my finger down. Okay. Now, you just put your finger down, just walk it on. Now it's tacked on, so it's not going to go anywhere. Now, all you want to do is double check. Make sure you get, yep, that looks good, that looks good. Both edges. Now you do, drop the knife on the floor after you get it. I usually lift it up like what you're seeing right here. And I'm slowly walking it in. Again, if you got any creases or air bubbles or anything like that, tackle it now. Okay, now what you do is, here I'll show you. Crease it like that, flap it over. Hopefully you can see that. Oops. Do it at a 30-degree angle, cut, and let it just walk in, let it relax a little bit. Okay. Right. So you can actually pull it off if it sticks a little bit. Now when you get to this guy right here, you're going to lock it in. So when you get to this level right here, see the camera right back there, you kind of just kind of go like that. You can use the knife or the blade and use that like that. Oh, you're fine. Okay, almost done. Last but not least, I'm going to show you this edge right over here, and we'll put the cap, oh, there's the cap right there. Put the cap back on and then call it good. Let me just get this side over here real quick. Let's do this. Let's try to get a little closer. All right, let's zoom in a little bit more right there. Okay, so I was talking about, you got the overlap right here of this guy right here. It's about a half inch right there. No one's ever going to see it unless you're pretty tall. I can barely even see it, and I'm almost 6 feet. So I'm going to do, you can actually, if you want, you can go right here, poke a hole right through it. I don't know if you can see that. And just kind of do like your knife at a 45 degree and kind of walk it this way. Just like that. Same thing, you're going to walk it 45-degree angle, walk it this way. And that's a perfectly edge cut. Actually, I'll show you real real quick. Don't drop the camera. Okay, oops. Let me zoom out real quick. So that's where the cut is at. Hope I'm not too shaky. There you go. See? So it's a perfect cut. Nice, clean cut. All right, let's put you guys back up here. There you go. Okay. Oh. Now we just kind of do the backing real fast. Do the front. I usually do a 45-degree angle cut right here. Now I see a little bit of white over here, and I have a little bit of extra vinyl. And I'm just gonna put it right up there. Actually, it's not gonna work. Oh, here it is. There it is. And the way I would do it, I mean, again, everyone's a little different. You can pull the doors off, and that'll be the right way to do it. And you get the vinyl sticking over here, and that's just like the minor stuff and everything. But we are all done with this little project. Actually, got a little extra vinyl over here. Yeah.